Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today is fourth day of my channel where I want to present myself in front of camera. As I already told you in previous videos that I want to create more and more videos sitting in front of camera alone because I'm not really habitual of doing it. So today I want to tell you about the event which I attended on 30th January 2026. So it was birthday of my niece, my sister's daughter, and I went to my sister's house and it was a great experience being there. In previous video I talked about my family members. So this is just event which I attended. This is related to my family and she is a new member of my family. She is my niece, my sister's daughter. So she turned 1 recently on 30th Jan. She was born on 30th January 2025. On 30th January 2026, she completed her first year. So it was a great experience celebrating her birthday with her innocence. And she's so amazing. And actually, it was great. When I'm going to tell you one thing, when we brought cake in front of her and she was about to cut that cake, but she wasn't ready to cut this. She was ready to just eat, and she was about to lick this, and after cutting this cake she wasn't ready to give this, or she wasn't ready to feed this cake to anyone else. She wanted to do it by herself. She wanted to eat this cake as much as she can, even though she's only 1 year old. She doesn't like eating a lot of stuff. She is completely based on mother's milk, or sometimes a milk of cow's milk, I would say. But just this day was so special for her, so she wanted to enjoy the cake as much as she can, and she was really happy. But when we started distributing cake to everyone else, to our family members, she wasn't happy at all. She was crying that why they are distributing this cake to everyone, because she wanted to enjoy this cake alone. So that is there. This is the innocence of kids, and it was a great experience being there. We enjoyed her birthday. We enjoyed delicious food. My sister prepared, and just your sister's mother-in-law, they prepared food at home, and my brother-in-law was there, and my another elder sister was there. So many people were not there. Only like few people were there. More than 7 or 8, I think, people were there. So it was a family celebration, but it was a great overall. And weather was really cold outside, so that's what I can say. But again, it is becoming normal about the winter, I can say. Due to that, I went there on Friday, and then Saturday I came back, and I didn't feel like creating video. I don't know, I was feeling tired. Even though on Sunday I went out. So today I'm creating this video. So that's what I want to tell you guys. It is very difficult to maintain consistency, and your mind always give excuses to you that no, you can't do it. It's difficult. You can do it tomorrow. So the same thing happened with me. I thought of creating this video every single day, but I was not able to do it. Again, there was a break. But it's never too late. Even though if you take a break for 1 or 2 days, come back and create video again. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to compel myself to do it again, because most of the time mind says go back to your comfort zone. And I like doing conversations. As I already told you, I like talking to people a lot. And it's a lot easier for me to do that in front of camera alone. So that's why, again, mind tells you that no, it's fine. Just even though you can speak English, so why are you afraid? There is no need of creating a lot of videos on camera alone. But I know that I need to work really hard to come out of that comfort zone. I need to become comfortable and confident speaking on camera alone. I should feel like I'm talking to my friends, I'm talking to my audience, I'm telling them a lot of things. So for that, I'm doing it, and I'm compelling myself, coming out of my comfort zone to make it happen. So the same thing, you can do it, guys. Take a simple topic or anything, any event of your life, and start describing or start recording yourself. That is going to help you to become better speaker every single day. So this is one of the activities which I want to do, and which I want to do more and more. and I'm doing this right now. In future also you will be able to see more videos, but a request to you, there is a one request, that if you will share this video to your friends or the people who like it, it is going to motivate me a lot, and then absolutely I will create more and more solo videos with a great content, great experience, or my lifestyle and things. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Very, very thanks to you for your support. Bye bye. Take care.